Hello! So, I have something kind of special today. So as some of you may know, I just graduated college, even though there was no graduation ceremony. So I decided to get myself a bit of a graduation gift. I know I'm not really like a fashion channel, I'm just opening it right here. But, I really like Mulan themed things, and even though the live action movie itself has been delayed, I think just because of like contracts and timing, a lot of like the collaborations with different brands related to Mulan had to be released anyway, just because of how, like I said, contracts go. The first thing that comes to mind to me is the Mulan ColourPop palette, which I was honestly kind of eyeing, but I decided to skip on. But this is a Loungefly Boxlunch exclusive, and it is a bag! Oh, wow. Okay, so it's a little bigger than I thought it would be. And yeah, it's got like this little, the cricket cage emblem on the front right here. And then the actual, the handle itself has that little, hairpin that she wears at the beginning of the movie. So yeah. Ugh. So I figured I'd make a quick video just unboxing it and showing it off and reacting to it, because this, I mean, you just saw me take it out of the box. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person. I know there are definitely like, I definitely know there are like fashion haul videos and like unboxings of like particularly very expensive bags, but I'll be real, I've never actually watched any of them, so I'm not really sure what the format is for like bag unboxings, particularly. I mean, this was like $90, which to me is very expensive for a bag. I do realize in the world of luxury bags, that's like nothing. This isn't, honestly, probably isn't even classified as a luxury bag, but to me, it's a luxury bag, just because as a college student, $90 is a lot for a bag. And so, here we got the Disney Loungefly logo. Oh man, I just did my makeup, so I'm like, and this bag is like stark white, so I am like a little concerned about like residual makeup on my fingers getting onto the bag. But yeah, wow. Ooh, okay. So when I lift this part up, this like metal part here is quite heavy. Yeah, it's got heft to it. It's some leftover cardboard. It's got a weird dent, like right there. I don't know if that's normal or just something that happened in shipping. And then this is like a tag. Oh, the tag. I wonder if they were going to sell this in the parks, because if it has like a tag, because obviously because the parks are closed right now, the only place I could find this was online. But I wonder, because it has a tag on it, if it was meant to be like physically sold in like the parks or like those Disney stores you see at the mall. That's interesting. Wow. So as I'm filming this, Disney World is planning to open, I think it's July 11th or the 13th. And if you watch me regularly, you know I am scheduled to be a fall Disney College Program cast member during the fall period at Walt Disney World. And I'm still scheduled, as of recording this video, I'm still scheduled to go in August. So if Disney World's gonna open in July, that means maybe my Disney College program is still a go. I'm holding on to hope here. So yeah, so this is one of my favorite parts of the bag. It's a flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. It's like a quote. I think her dad says that. And yeah. So just open this. Ooh, okay. So yeah, it's got the front and the zipper. And then, it is stuffing. And oh, here's the strap. I was wondering, I was like, didn't this come with a strap? Ooh, it's like green, and then all the detail is gold. I'm sorry, I'm like filming on a new setup because I prefer things to be at eye level, but because I film on my phone, when my phone is just on the ground, I kind of look like this. So I've like stacked it on a bunch of boxes, but because I'm also somewhat accustomed to filming on the floor, I forget that to see stuff I have to lift it up. So yeah, ooh, okay, if I can see, the inside has like this like bamboo kind of, and is that either the shrine or the cricket cage as like a detail inside the bag. Okay. Oh. So look how, okay, and then on the inside, yeah, so the pattern is continued inside like the inner pouch. So this is really cool. Now let me just detach the thing that attaches the zipper, the strap. And so yeah, this is the strap. Let me just get it undone. Careful, careful. Ta-da! So I was thinking, a funny thing about this, it doesn't like go up. Ooh, yeah, it does. Okay, you just have to kind of like really push it, because otherwise it kind of sits kind of crooked. But yeah, once you, and then this should hook onto the, yeah, and then you can either carry it around like that, or carry it around like that. Alrighty, so yeah, this is my graduation gift to myself, and I hope you enjoyed that video. It was just something really quick, something really cool to show you, my graduation present. I do have a graduation present that's coming from my parents, and that I already know what it is, and I'm super excited. I'll just tell you right now, it's a Nintendo Switch Lite. The original Switches were like completely sold out. I think everybody's buying them up right now because everybody's stuck at home and everybody wants to play Animal Crossing. Like, when did Animal Crossing get so popular? Like, I've been playing Animal Crossing since the version for the Wii came out, City Folk. And back then it wasn't really that big of a thing, but I guess now, because everybody's stuck at home, and it's kind of like a serene, kind of comforting thing. I can understand why it's like suddenly become just like massively popular. And honestly, I'm kind of happy for it. Like, Animal Crossing is a great game, and I can't wait to play it when I get my Switch Lite from my parents. So thank you so much, parents, for the graduation gift. I know you guys don't watch this. But yeah, so that's my, like I said, graduation present. And hopefully Disney World will reopen, and hopefully I will get to experience the Disney College program. But until then, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.